Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Cracko298, and today we're gonna go over how to actually make your own plugins for my ISZ-ModMenu. This will allow you to load your own mods, pack files, asset files. It'll also allow you to back up your game, and a lot more. This will make the Wobblitooth Save Manager, if just someone decides to make a plugin out of it, it'll help completely wipe out the Wobblitooth Save Manager and need for it. So let's get into the video. What we are going to do is make a file, right? A plugin1.py. It can be whatever name, it doesn't matter. So right over here we have the ISZ-lib file in the same directory. Downloads. Cool. So what we can first do is we can do from ISZ-lib, ISZ-lib, you want to import the star. What we can do now is we can turn this into a variable. We can make a function and call variable, get it, so then you guys can make cheats, hacks, mods. You guys can load anything you really want to into the game. It allows Python code execution basically inside of ISZ on PC. And so, let's first start off with getting the refresh rate of the game or our monitor. Maybe you want to make your cheat so it only goes off certain ticks to the monitor, 144 hertz per millisecond. You can do that. You can do everything basically. Now, this is a proof of concept idea, so just letting you know. All right. So first, what we want to do is we want to set the ref_r to get underscore refresh rate. And we're gonna now do the print command. We're gonna do f parentheses or not parentheses, sorry, quotation marks. We're gonna do the max refresh rate is, and then we're gonna do curly brackets and do ref_r. Have a period right there. And so now what we can do is we can what else is there? We have the width and height of the screen. So if you want to use, I don't know, PY Auto GUI or PY Direct Input or CV2 for some reason for image recognition, you can. And so what we can do is we can do the width, comma, height. All right, and we're gonna set that equal to the get with height function in the ISZ-lib.py file. This will be exe, and it'll take a little bit in the future. It'll be more broad per se. It'll allow you to get the PID, it'll allow you to get the name, it'll allow you to get the memory and all of that for your application of ISZ. It'll allow you to inject your own custom DLLs, etc. You can also write your own Python code and have it inject by itself using functions such as def, get, PID. You can use a thing called ctypes. This isn't right now. This is not inside our file, but you can use a lot more code. You don't have to use this. This is just the basics for ISZ in the ISZ-lib.py. And so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do print f or print parentheses f quotation marks. We're gonna do the what do you call it? The width x height. What we want to do is we want to do an x, or we're going to do a px period, and what we can do now is we can do the width and then the height. Alright, awesome. So now we're just going to change this to hertz. We'll save that. We can come down here to the file or folder that we're in with the ISZ-lib.py, open PowerShell window. You want to do python.exe, your file name. In this case, it's plugin1.py. Execute it, and you'll get all this. So the code is max refresh rate is 144 hertz. That is correct on my monitor currently. And the width and height is 2560 by 1440 pixels. And so that's a lot you can actually do with this. You don't need to only do a certain library. We can actually confirm this by going back in here and doing from from random, we're going to import random integer, or randint as it calls it. And then we can do a print, or we can, we're just going to name this num, and we're going to do a random integer between values 0, between values 1 and, let's do that number. I don't know exactly what, but anyway, so now we can do print, right, and then we can type in random number, and then we can do this. We need to put an F at the beginning, and then we can type in num, save, go back, go to our PowerShell window, and I can say our random number is between those two numbers right there. So this isn't only used for the ISZ-lib. You can run your own code if you want, but this will help you mod ISZ and guide you to it. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to like. If you didn't, well then don't, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.